Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, today's video we are going to discuss about how to improve English vocabulary. Because friend, vocabulary play big role in English speaking. Friend, if you have more vocabulary, your English speaking will be fluent and impressive. And that's why today's video we are going to discuss how to improve English vocabulary. And friend, for that you have to do first work, that is develop your reading skill. Because what happens, if you want to improve your English vocabulary within a short period, you should love reading. Because what happens friend, while reading any magazine, newspaper or novel, you will get a new word. While reading any particular sentences, within that sentence you will get any new word, and on the basis of that sentence you can guess the meaning of that word, and it will be store your mind. Neither you can also search in your mobile the meaning of that word. But friend, what happens, that word will be stored your mind for a long time, because on the basis of the story of that novel, book or any event, you will store that word in a long time. That's why instead of reading any vocabulary dictionary, you should love to read. That's through that your vocabulary improve too much. And friend, next things you have to do, that is a play words game. Because friend, most of students want to play games. Instead of playing any random game, you should play word vocabulary related game. Maybe on Play Store there will be number of apps to play vocabulary related game. You should download it. Neither friend, you can play one game with your friend. That game it is you can tell one word to your friend, and your friend will tell you one sentence on the basis of that particular word. And next time your friend tell you one word and you will tell one sentence to him. Like that you can play a half or 1 hour this game, and your vocabulary improve and your interest will be improved also. And third things friend, you have to do the practice word in your conversation. Because friend, what happened, we know vocabulary but we didn't remember it right time at the speaking time. We know we should use in our conversation. Once we use in our conversation, it will be helpful. We can remember it anytime and anywhere. That's why the words we should use in our conversation. And last things friend, I want to suggest you, everyday basis at least remember 10 words. Most of the students think within a limited time they want to remember English vocabulary too much. They start to read English dictionary. But friend, it is a waste of time. You can't remember too much vocabulary within one day. Everyday basis read a 10 vocabulary and try to make sentences on that basis. It will be helpful for you. And 100% within some month your vocabulary will be too much. Once at a starting point only you will get an obstacle. You should take a patience and continue practice on it. And friend, if you like my advice, please like my channel and press the bell icon. Because what happens friend, next video notification you will get. And thank you so much. See you next video.